Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite day trading templates. And I'm going to show it to you in a couple of different ways. Now, first, what you're looking at here, this would be the premium, the Cadillac version, if you will, where we have here, I think it's 6 of our premium indicators are applied to this template. So this is for the serious trader who has some resources to invest in the kind of information that this template is giving you. But I don't want to leave out people that are either just getting started or new to futures or just don't have the budget, at least at this point, to invest in 6 premium indicators here. So I'm going to show it to you both here in the Cadillac version, but I'm also going to show you in a version where you could apply this based entirely off of the native indicators that are within Ninja. In addition, 2 indicators that you can get right from the Ninja ecosystem website. So you can download them for free. So your total investment will be 0 on indicators other than what you're paying to be able to use and trade on Ninja Trader. And as a matter of fact, you could test this in Sim and not have any investment. So you just download the free version of Ninja, trade it in Sim, and you can work with these and test it out yourself. And I think what you're going to find here is that this is a very powerful template. Okay, so this is where we're headed, and let me just show you what's in here. Some of you members here will recognize some of these. Let me just pull this up here. We'll just focus on what's on the template here. So first, on the top line here is our toolbar. Now this is not mandatory. I'm so used to it I can't trade without it. But this is a premium tool. But there are free shortcut toolbars that you can find googling around. So that's not a requirement for the template. It's mighty convenient. Same thing with initial balance. Although I would tell you if you're not trading with initial balance, I would encourage you to go look at our initial balance training video that's on our playlist on YouTube. If you haven't seen it, it's on our website if you haven't seen it. As I've said many times, in addition to VWAP, the initial balance levels, high and low, are the 2 most important numbers on the board. Right? Every day you got to know where VWAP is, the IB high and the IB low, or I promise you're trading blind. You have to know where those are, because algos are very keyed to what happens when we get to the IB high, IB low. So that's important that you have that. I mean, you could take a white line at the open and wait for an hour and get the high and the low for the first open. So if you're on a budget, that's an alternative, but I would encourage you strongly to get those marked on your chart. Now, in addition, we've got our auto fibs. Right? We've got our measured move indicator, or the price line, that's native Ninja. This is the delta volume waves, so we can see what's happening at the pivots. Additionally, I've got the devil's edge, which is our turbocharged MACD Bollinger Band. We've kind of taken that concept and then combined 5 indicators into one. Again, a premium indicator, 2 native indicators to Ninja, 2 Keltner channels, an EMA slope. I can't remember if that's native to Ninja or not, but if not, you can find it on the Ninja ecosystem. It's just an EMA, but it colors it based on the slope of the market. And then again, this is our VWAP indicator. Another, I would tell you, it's mandatory to have on your chart. If you're day trading without the VWAP, I don't know what you're doing. You're just absolutely blind. You have to know where that is. But again, you could find various versions of that. This just happens to be ours. And as a matter of fact, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to hide it just so it's one less line that you're dealing with, because this at first can seem like a lot. Eventually, you'll see clearly. But when you first are looking at it, like, holy shit, a lot of numbers. All right, so this is the premium version. But before we go into this too far, in the insight and the benefit that's going to be here, I'm going to show you this to you with just free indicators. All right, so stand by and we'll take a look at that.